Dear YouTube team, good day. I'm Rubin Gamalo, official, the owner of the YouTube channel. I'm appealing to your good office with regards of my YouTube channel, of this demonetization program of the YouTube. If it was my mistakes to upload content overalls, then I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. I promise that if ever you will give another chance to bring back or to retrieve my YouTube channel, I will share videos that are not against your rules and policies. And clean to make sure that I won't commit any violations. My content is mixed video is mixed, and also I sell the egg balot and mixed content sometimes, because I have no idea about sometimes of this video to upload. So I apologize to you YouTube team about this reuse contents. So I am hoping of your goodness to retrieve and to come back my YouTube channel to monetize also. So I'm very glad YouTube team that what is happening about this. So I am about being good partners of YouTube. I'm very thankful of your goodness. Thank you so much, very much, and I hope your option is in your hand to monetize again my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Sincerely yours, Rubin Gamalo, official owner. Thank you. God bless, and I love you.